Whoa, 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 look at that, guys. There's my second sighting for the day. Here we have an Alstom Citata Spirit heading east on line 6. In fact, I did not even come to this area just to find them in action. I came here for a different reason. Oh man, it's freaking busy though and chilly. So much trucks. In fact, just like 5 minutes ago, I saw one heading west, and then it was going into the maintenance storage facility. And I'm just about to start a walking video here down Arrow Road. I know it's gonna open within the next 6 months, along with line 5. This is only the second time I've filmed them in action. Last time was back in January, just east of here at the Jane and Finch stop. Unfortunately, the zoom is not it's not working that well, so I can't really zoom in too much. We're at the Signet Aero stop. And yes, they are training TTC employees. There's a guy right there. Let's see if he's gonna stop and open the doors. No, he's going on. I mean, you think by now they would do that. There it goes. Maybe it's gonna head to the storage facility where it just was, or maybe on the way to Finch West station. And it goes in the bleak suburban industrial area we have. And also, my mom used to live east of here in Jane Finch, known as the Hood. It's not even that bad at daytime. Maybe don't go there at night.